In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best new way to make 10K a month online in 2026. And to be honest, guys, the method and the business model that I'm going to show you guys today can seriously make you some crazy money, especially if you're a beginner or if you're just starting out or you've never done this before, right? Now, just before I continue the video, I'm going to give you a quick backstory on who I am because it's very important to know who I am, what I do, so you can understand why you should listen to me, right? So my name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago, right? I quit my 9-to-5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. I used to work several 9-to-5 jobs. I used to work in Argos, I used to work in World Duty Free, and I used to work at Sky, right? Now, after doing these jobs, I realized that I am never going to work a 9-to-5 job again. I realized at one point while I was working my 9-to-5 job, I said, you know what, this is not the life that I envisioned for myself. I can't keep doing this. I can't keep going on like this. I need to make money online. I need to change my life. I need freedom, right? One of the biggest issues with me working a 9-to-5 job was that I was working for someone else and I wasn't able to make a lot of money, right? And at the same time, I didn't have freedom. I couldn't go out when I wanted, right? Like I'd see at work, I'd be at work literally on my phone and I'd see people in Dubai. I'd see people in Bali. I'd see people in Thailand. And I'd see all these young people who are like, what, 20, 21, 22, younger than me, making good money online and traveling the world. And I used to think to myself, well, if these guys can do it, surely I can, right? But what I realized was the environment around me wasn't helping me grow. I realized the people around me at work and even in the UK in general, right? The people around me weren't great. And I said, you know what, I'm just gonna pack my bags, quit my 9-to-5 job. I need to take a risk. If I want to have an exceptional life, I need to do exceptional things, right? So what I did was quit my 9-to-5 job, packed my bags, moved to Dubai. I had no money, no savings. I had a little bit of online income, but it wasn't really enough to survive on, right? Now, while I was doing this, I said to myself, let me try and find a job here in Dubai, and then maybe I can make some money, and then I can work on my online business. Because to stay here in Dubai, obviously you need a visa. So I thought, you know what, let me try and find a job, because that'll probably be the best way. Long story short, I mean, I've got a full video on my whole story, but long story short, I didn't get a job in Dubai because I couldn't find one, I couldn't get accepted for one. So all I did was focus on my online business, grew that up to 6 figures a year, which is where I am now, when I have freedom. I get to work where I want, get to do whatever it is that I want, get to work when I want. Life is amazing. I'm here in Dubai. I mean, the weather's amazing outside. Normally I film these videos outside, but it's really, really hot today. So yeah, I've just come inside, so I thought I'd make this quick video. But yeah, the business model I'm going to talk about in this video, right, works for beginners. So if you are a beginner, you've never, done online business before, this will work for you. If you are someone that's tried different things like I did, so I've tried drop shipping, I've tried affiliate marketing, I've tried YouTube content creation, I've tried TikTok shop, I've tried a bunch of different business models, right? And I'm not saying they didn't work. Some of them did actually work and I did make some decent money with some of them. However, I've realized that the best business model is the one that I'm going to outline in this video. So again, make sure you keep watching, right? Now, just before I continue, if you do need any help starting this online business where I can scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what I'll do is jump on a call and we can see how we can potentially work together, right? So yeah, guys, this business model I'm going to mention is completely life-changing. It's giving me freedom. It's allowed me to work wherever I want, when I want, and ultimately, it's allowed me to make some serious money, right? And the best thing about this business model is that ultimately you are helping people, right? Now, I don't know what a lot of your guys' worldview is, okay? But my worldview is the more people you help, the more good things are going to happen to you, right? The more people you genuinely try and help and actually help them potentially change their lives, right? The more that's going to come back to you. And I firmly believe this, and I know for a fact this is something that is like a universal law, or you can also call it whatever you want, right? But this is actually true. So if that's true, then ultimately this business model is the best business model in the world, because all you guys literally will be doing is selling your skills, selling your knowledge to high ticket clients, okay? Now I'll explain later on what that means, but ultimately, guys, all you are doing is selling a skill or knowledge that you already possess to someone else, okay? So for example, that's what I personally do. I help people start these businesses so they realize that, you know what, they've actually got skills worth something. They've got skills that could potentially change someone's life, or they've got skills that could actually help someone tremendously, right? And the beauty about this business model is that you do the skill that you've got, you don't need to be an expert at it, okay? Let's say you're let's say argument's sake, you're a 4 out of 10 at a particular skill. Well, you only need to teach 0 out of 10s or 1 out of 10s to get to maybe a 3 out of 10 or even a 2 out of 10, right? So even if you're a 4 out of 10, you can still help people. You don't need to be an expert. So the next thing is that you'd be selling to high ticket clients. Now, what do I mean by high ticket clients? Essentially, you're going to be selling to people who are going to pay you a lot of money, okay? So the pricing of your program won't be like $100, $500, not even $1,000. Even $1,000 is considered cheap. You'd be selling your program for somewhere around $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, upwards of even $7,000 or $8,000, right? Now, that might sound crazy to a lot of you people that, you know, who's going to pay you $7,000 or who's going to pay you $8,000? Who's even going to pay you $2,000? Trust me, I've heard everything, right? I've dealt with so many clients. I've dealt with so many sales calls where I've gone through all of these things, right? Where everyone gets surprised, like, who's going to pay me this kind of money? Guys, it's a limiting belief, okay? I've helped a lot of people make money, and they couldn't believe it when the people that they've, you know, attracted or signed onto their program were paying $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 like it was nothing, right? And trust me, people do. There's this notion that people think that because they're broke, they feel like everyone else is broke, right? And that's why they won't pay them, because it's a limiting belief. You feel like people won't pay you because you're not going to pay that money to someone else, right? Again, this is just a limiting belief. It's nothing to do with what's the truth or what the fact is, because again, I know this works for a fact because I've helped so many clients, I've helped so many people, and they've been getting clients, I've been getting clients, I've seen literally even 15-year-olds and 16-year-olds within this space making some serious money, right? And all because they got money from potential clients or even potential business owners looking to spend that kind of money with them, right? And a lot of you guys can do so much. A lot of you guys have skills that are probably even worth more than 10K a month, to be honest. You guys have skills worth maybe 20, 30 or 40K a month. Now, I know that might sound absurd to a lot of you people because a lot of you guys might be just 9-to-5 workers or getting paid $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 a month, and you don't know that kind of money. You don't know about $30,000 a month. You don't know about $40,000 a month. That's a lot of your guys' annual salary in a month. So it does sound crazy. It might sound absurd, but trust me, there are people within this space making serious money. In fact, I know of someone within this space, again, it's not a client, just someone I know of, that made over 100 grand in his first month of doing this business, right? So in my eyes, anything is possible, because if someone doing this business model for the first time can make 100 grand, then why can't you guys start this business today and make 10 grand at the end of the month, or 20 grand at the end of the month, or even 5 grand? Because I know 5 grand for a lot of people would just open the possibilities of what's possible with this business model. So ultimately, you need to build your personal brand, okay? This is one of the most important factors. A lot of people think that I don't want to show my face on social media because I want to be a private person, or I'm scared to show my face, or I don't feel comfortable showing my face. All of that bullshit, right? Guys, I was the most introverted person, trust me. Anytime I had to put my face in front of a camera, I used to hate it. I've always wanted to do YouTube, right? I've been in content creation for about 3 years now, maybe 4 years. And I always wanted to do YouTube. But before that, I never did it because I was scared to put my face out there. I was scared maybe, you know, what is other people going to think? What is my friends going to think? What is my family going to think, right? And ultimately, what I realized is that people are so invested in their own lives, they don't really care, right? So if you want to make content like I'm making right now, people don't care. They might look at you for a while, they might say something, but people are going to talk anyway, right? So ultimately, you need to get the balls and say, look, I'm going to be in front of a camera and improve my skills, improve my speaking skills, improve my content creation skills, improve my life skills. The best thing about this business model is that it improves your life skills, right? Because one, you'll be taking sales calls, so you learn how to take sales. You'll be speaking to different people, so you learn communication skills. You'll be creating content, so you learn content creation skills. You'll be learning how to make thumbnails. You learn how to make, YouTube videos, how to make little YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or even TikTok videos. Like, there are so much skills within this business model that literally can make you so much money. And you guys might have heard the saying, skills pay the bills. 100% this is true. Skills 100% pay the bills, right? And this is why this business model is the best, because it teaches you the most skills. It teaches you how to be resilient. It teaches you how to come out your comfort zone. It teaches you how to create content. It teaches you how to speak clearer. And these are skills that you guys need to learn. I'm sorry, like, don't think you're just going to be in front behind the screen, press a few buttons and make money. That's not how life works, right? You have to put in the work. You have to come out your comfort zone. All the people that you see are making crazy money. All of them have come out of their comfort zone, right? A lot of you guys are so comfortable working in your 9-to-5 job, and you're like, oh, my 9-to-5 job is stable money. Bruv, it is not stable money. If you think your 9-to-5 job is stable, well, you're absolutely deluded, because I'll tell you why. Your 9 to 5 job will give you a stable income on paper, right? But you don't realize what inflation's doing. How many times have you gone to the shop and things have increased? Why do you feel like your cost of living keeps increasing? Why do you feel like your life, rather than, you being able to afford more stuff, you're finding it difficult to pay bills? Why do you think that's happening? Because it's the illusion of you got stable income, but it isn't. Inflation's always winning, right? And this is why I wanted to quit my 9 to 5 job as well, because I knew my money, even though they're saying my wages are going up next month, I knew for a fact that I was actually getting shafted because inflation is going up even higher. So it's just to keep you guys within control. It's just to keep you guys within your jobs, so you get happy, so you get that little dopamine hit that, oh, my wages are going up, and really it's not, right? Secondly, do you guys want to change your life or not? A lot of you guys are so comfortable in your 9 to 5 job, and I've been there. Trust me, I've been there. I'm not saying this from a position of like, oh, this and that. I was the same person. I used to be at my 9 to 5 job for years, thinking, I'm going to change my life one day, and I never took action. Guys, trust me, all of you guys can do this business model, right? And to be honest, if I can see 15 or 16-year-olds doing this business model, then I don't see why you watching this video, who I know for a fact is older, maybe 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, or even upwards, right? Why you guys can't do this business model? Because honestly, anyone can. And I've worked with absolute beginners who I've helped tremendously, right? And once again, if you do need any help with this, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call and see how we could potentially work together. But guys, this business model can make you some serious money, and this is the new and best way to make money in 2026, right? Forget about people talking about drop shipping. If you guys don't know, I used to do drop shipping myself, right? Go check out my previous videos. I used to do drop shipping a lot, and I can tell you for a fact it's not the best business model, right? What was the other business? The other business models I've done is affiliate marketing. In fact, if you guys look at a bunch of my old videos, you'll see I've talked about every business model that you can imagine, right? And having done all of the different business models, I'm coming at it from a position where I've done everything. I've done what people have told you to do. I've done drop shipping, I've done affiliate marketing, I've done YouTube content creation, I've done making money through sponsorships, I've done making money through TikTok. I've literally done all the business models, right? I've started a clothing brand as well, which obviously didn't work. So I've started so many things which didn't work, right? So I'm telling you guys, this business model is the best business model because you can make money from day one. And when I say day one, I mean month one, right? You can make money from the first month you start this business model, and you can make a serious amount of money. So ultimately, guys, you guys need to understand that this is the best and new way to make money in 2026. Forget what anyone else tells you, because it doesn't work. I've done everything. I used to work a 9 to 5 job as well, so I've been in the position a lot of you guys are in. I've done all the hard work. I've moved to Dubai, which was my dream, right? I mean, now that I have freedom and I get to work when I want and I make so much money, like, guys, I've literally had a record month this month, right? And I say to myself, like, damn, I used to work a 9 to 5 job, getting paid $2,000 a month. And I'm just like, for example, the other day I made $5,000 in a day. And I just say to myself, like, $2,000 a month. And I used to work so hard, 40 hours a week, to make $2,000 a month. And now I think that, once you have the skills, it's so easy to make money. Like, I've not really had that reflection point until like recently. And I say to myself, like, wow, like I've been making some crazy money nowadays, So it just shows that, guys, you need to understand that it is very easy to make money. It's just that you don't know how to do it. All of you guys have a skill that is worth 10, 20, 30, 40K a month. I know this for a fact because I've worked with a lot of clients. In fact, I might even just put a few testimonials in this video.
I honestly cannot speak higher of working with Alim. I have literally referred 3 of my mates who have either wanted to start businesses in that industry just because of how well he is at what he is and how well his methods and strategies are. I have not worked with a single coach who can actually provide me as much strategy, legitimacy, and actually stick to their word for as long as what he has. It's honestly, it's fucking incredible, like, what he's actually done and how he's actually, like, literally changing my life, like, in the moment as I record this. But it's just like the strategies and what methodologies he has is just incredible. And it's honestly been the highest ROI investment I've had. And honestly, I could not ask for a better coach.
Hey guys, Phil here. I just wanted to share a quick testimonial of my experience working with Alim. I'm sure you've probably seen Alim on his YouTube channel, similar to myself, and you're able to relate with Alim on 1 or 2 things which is mentioned on his YouTube channel. Over the past 3 to 4 weeks or so, working with Alim, I've been able to learned a lot, in his, with his ways and with his magic. I was able to help me narrow down on a niche, which I actually I didn't know I had a lot of passion and skill set in. So if you have any questions or if you have any doubts about working with Alim, cast those doubts away and book your call with Alim as soon as possible. And I promise you, you wouldn't regret it.
Been working with Alim for a few months now, and he's helped me develop and grow as a person, as well as unlock potential inside of me that I didn't know I had. What this has done has given me a great deal of confidence in different aspects, such as filming videos, getting used to using different tools for my business and much more. Alim is a great coach that provides good guidance, especially for beginners like myself. So I would highly recommend his services.
To be honest, like you have literally been like the best investment of a coach that I have ever bought. Like this honestly makes up for me getting absolutely railed, losing 70 grand. So yeah, this is gonna be crazy. But yeah, we just need to keep on building up the system, building up.
Guys, I do want to reiterate this, right? Anyone can do this. Doesn't matter what your age is, doesn't matter what your skill level is, doesn't matter what your situation is, anyone can do this, right? And ultimately, what you guys are going to be doing is building up your personal brand, creating content just like I'm creating right now, right? Creating your program, which again, this is something I help you with directly in my online coaching program, which if you click the link in the description below, booking a call with me, I'll jump on a call with you and show you exactly what you get with my program and how I can actually help you, right? But ultimately, you will get all of this in my program where I help you scale your business or start a business, and you can literally scale it to 10K a month. Honestly, beginners can scale this to 10K a month, 5K a month, whatever you want to kind of do, right? Because I know some people are happy to be at 5K a month and just have freedom and then have fun with the business. Other people want to scale to bigger numbers. Honestly, guys, you can probably scale to about 30, 40, 50K a month. No problem. It's quite easy. And you can obviously have a good business there, which doesn't sacrifice your freedom. Now, guys, this video is to motivate you, right? To show you that this is possible. You can literally change your situation really, really quickly. There's two misconceptions. One, people think that they can become rich overnight, which doesn't happen. And two, people also think that it takes a really, really long time, right? But what's worse? Is it worse being in a job for 40 years that you hate, or working on a business for about 5-10 years, which can actually change your life? Because if you work in a business 5-10 years, you can start making crazy, crazy amounts of money. You'll no longer need to work after that, and you can set yourself up for life, right? And the crazy thing is, guys, you can literally change your life in 3 months. If you start an online business today, 3 months is all you need for your life to completely change. I've seen so many people change within 3 months and make some serious money, and a lot of you guys can do the same. And yeah, it's so easy to make money online. Honestly, guys, this is probably like a big secret, which I don't think a lot of people talk about, because a lot of people are talking about, other business models like drop shipping or affiliate marketing or YouTube content creation or faceless YouTube channels. All of these things that don't require any skills, right? And they don't realize that they're relying on other factors for them to make money. Whereas with this business model, you're solely relying on skills. And trust me, guys, skills pay the bills. And once you start making good money, you can go to another country, live where you want. Like I'm living in Dubai at the moment, which, by the way, I actually predicted. I predicted 5 years ago when I moved to Dubai in 2024, and I did exactly that. Now, if you do want to watch that video where I made the full video around that story and how I made that prediction and how I actually got it right and what I did to move to Dubai, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.